This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Debug is touching. The bunny sprite should change to a new animation when it touches the sun sprite. Figure out why the bunny doesn't react to the collision. Modify the code so that the collision is detected within the draw loop. Okay, so modify it so the collision's detected within the draw loop. Let me reset run. Oh, here comes the sun. Okay, and nothing happens. Let's look at the code. We create our variable, we set its picture, we create a variable, we set its picture, and now we're checking, like we should, if the sun is touching the bunny. If this is true, the bunny's animation should change to happy bunny. Then we do function.draw, background light blue, we set the sun velocity so it goes down, and we draw the sprite. Now everything in the draw loop runs 30 times a second, so we constantly are doing this. However, everything up here would only run once. So when we create the sun, it's at 200x 0y. It's up here, right? We just saw that. Yep, way up at the top. And the bunny's way down here. It then checks if the sun is touching the bunny. Well, it just created them. So this is false. That is not true. The sun is definitely not touching the bunny at the start. And if this is false, it doesn't run the code inside of here. It skips and it jumps below it and just keeps going as normal. It then hits the draw loop and keeps going on that, well, forever, 30 times a second. So if we want this to work, we need to keep checking this while the sun is moving, while the program is updating. So we would put it down here. And if it runs 30 times a second, the instant the sun touches our bunny, this becomes true, it runs the code inside, and it keeps going. Pretty cool. Onward.